Meet the Shark PowerBoost Cordless Handheld Vacuum, powerful suction, cordless freedom, and effortless cleaning wherever you need it. With versatile cleaning tools, it makes quick cleanups at home, in your car, and beyond effortless. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Shark PowerBoost Cordless Handheld Vacuum, Duster Crevice Tool, Multi-Surface Pet Tool, Power Adapter, and User Manual. Li-ion battery. How to use: install and charge the battery before use. Press the power button to turn the vacuum on or off, and use the mode button to switch between eco, auto, and boost modes. Attach your preferred cleaning tool by sliding it onto the nozzle and press the release button to remove it when finished. Maintenance: empty the dust cup after use and clean the filter regularly with water only. Let all parts air dry for 24 hours before reinstalling. Wipe the dust cup clean to help maintain strong suction and performance. If suction drops or the vacuum sounds unusual, check and remove any blockages from the dust cup and air intake. Battery indicator. Smart features: the Shark PowerBoost delivers strong suction to quickly capture dust, crumbs, pet hair, and everyday debris. It provides reliable cleaning power for surfaces around your home and vehicle. Its compact, cordless design provides easy portability and hassle-free cleaning without the restriction of a power cord. It's perfect for quick cleanups in homes, cars, stairs, and hard-to-reach areas. Switch between eco, auto, and boost modes to adjust suction power based on your cleaning needs. These modes help balance strong performance with efficient battery usage. The Shark PowerBoost includes useful attachments to clean different surfaces and reach tight spaces with ease. These tools help remove dust, debris, and pet hair from various areas around your home and car. The removable dust cup and washable filter make cleaning and upkeep simple. Regular maintenance helps keep the vacuum running efficiently and delivering strong performance. Specifications: FAQs. Available accessories: safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Shark PowerBoost Cordless Handheld Vacuum. See you at the next one.